Hi dear students, welcome back to Win's lecture. So in this OpenCV tutorial series, I'm going to teach you color detection operation using OpenCV. So let me tell you something about importance of color detection from the object or from the captured video or live capture. So it is going to be very important in terms of feature detection from the object or from the image. So it's going to be the base operation which will be useful in high level image classification operations. So let's start with importing OpenCV. We know that import CV2, and then next I'm going to import NumPy, and we know that how to import NumPy, and next I'm going to get my input. Okay, so you know that my input is going to be a captured video, okay, a live captured images. In last video I already shown you how to apply this method, how to apply a method to detect an image from the camera, right? So I'm going to follow the same method which is quite similar to the previous one. So next I'm going to apply the condition that which is while when it is going to be when. Now I'm going to create a variable. It's going to be the temporary variable, don't worry about that. And next it is going to be the frame variable which is going to be extracted from the video. So see which is the nothing but a captured cap variable and read. And then so next how I am going to differentiate a color is usually we will get a colored from the image. It is going to be a colored image, then we can convert the given image into a grayscale images, right? Now what we are going to do is I'm going to use another method called HSV format. So HSV format, which is nothing but hue, saturation and hue. So using this format I'm going to get a new, I'm going to convert the color. So let's see, CV2 convert color, and then CV2 dot, we know that this color these keywords color BGR2, I already told you HSV format. So color underscore BGR color underscore BGR to HSV. Here it is. Yes. So now I have converted the given color. Next I am going to create two important variables from NumPy using NumPy. So for example, today in this lecture I am going to find a color which is blue. Okay, so let's use this color code, which means a low bound color code of blue color, which is nothing but I'm going to get by using NumPy array, NumPy np dot array, and inside to that I'm going to write the color code values 110 comma 50 comma 50, which is going to be the lowest color, blue color, that low quality one. And it's not low quality in them, that mild blue color. And next high bound, and it is going to be np dot. So it's about the color code. So later you can apply a for loop to detect more colors from this. Now the color band is high band is 130, 255 and 255. Next, now I am going to mask my image by using this bounding method. Okay, so now which is the method is very simple, CV2 dot in range. That means from the captured video I'm going to find out whether the objects where comes under this range, it will be highlighted. So that's the keyword cv2 dot in range function. So inside to that I'm going to pass my variable, I mean that input hsv where I have got from this, and then that means the converted one, and next lb comma hb. Okay, low bound and upper bound. So from the function name itself you can easily find what is going to be the parameter for it. So next, finally I'm going to create, I'm going to display my highlighted version of the result. Okay, so for that I'm going to use a bitwise AND operation to split the given, I mean that captured images into two classes. The highlighted, I mean the color it is going to be highlighted will comes in that color white, and other will be in black dark mode. Okay, so let's see bitwise and we know that AND will perform when if both are true. Frame comma frame comma, so you can see source 1 and source 2, and next it is going to be mask equal to mask. That's what I have created in the previous line. So that's it. Next what I am going to do is I am going to create a wait key, WAIC at if cv2 dot wait key. So here I am going to keep delay of 5 millisecond, and then I am going to apply the condition. Already we have seen all this. O x00 x ff is double equal to, inside to the double bracket, inside to the quote, you can keep any keyword over there, and next, sorry, I forgot the colon. Then I'm going to break the operation, so it will return to the loop. Now, so after this all, next we have to release our camera, as well as we have to destroy all the windows, right? So next cv2 dot release off. cv2 dot why this function release. Fine. So that's all about the whole process. Okay, so let me execute my program. Click run. May take some time because the conversion is going to happen. Something wrong with my code. What's the wrong? Convert color in line number 7. What's wrong with that? cv2 dot sorry, here the input format is wrong. cv2, which is going to be the first parameter. Next I have to pass another parameter, so inside to the bracket, right? Yes, yeah, now it will work. This dog, yeah, it's gonna work now. What's happened? Is it running or not? Is this still executing? Let me check. Yes, again, what is the error? Here, no need of semicolon. Then what else? There any other warning signs? Yeah, here it's not required bracket. That also it will work. Let's go with this, no issue. And then I think everything is fine. Let's run this. Yeah, here we go. So here you can see the result. This is the mask which we have created, and let me hide this. This is not required. Here you can see this, the blue colored, you can see, but because of this lighting and it's not able to detect exactly. Let me take some blue color material. Yeah, let me take this perfume. Yeah, here it can detect, it is in blue color, it can detect this. And next, let me show you a difference. A toy, here you can see, so it's not able to detect something, right? So in clear view I can show you something like, yes, here it is. Yeah, a toy. So it can, I think it will give you a clear idea how the object detecting, right? So it's all about using a lower bound and higher bound of color. So it's not limited that only you can detect blue color. So you can fix your own color code, color limit. So if it is into if it is in between, that object color is in between to your range, of course it will detect, this code will work, right? And that's how we are going to perform this operation. And yes, if you have any doubts, you can comment in comment section, or you can ask me in WhatsApp group. And thanks for watching. Bye. We'll see you in another experiment in OpenCV in another video.